Hi there, Dr. Dave here, and it's time to rise and whine. When sound engineers are putting sound equipment into a movie theater, they are balancing all the different pieces of equipment so that a certain spot or area in the movie theater will be the sweet spot where the sound will be the best. That tends to be about 2/3 of the way back and in the center of the theater. I think that's a great metaphor for life as well. When the different elements of our life are in balance, we're sitting in our own sweet spot. When our finances, and our friendships, our health, our careers, and other things that are important to us are all in balance, it feels terrific. We have the best experience of that. If you're feeling right now like those things are not in balance, it's a very good time to assess how to bring them back into balance in your life. So if you haven't paid attention to personal finances much, now might be a good time to pay attention to that. If you feel like you haven't spent enough time with your friends or family members, rebalancing that part of your life can be important, along with the other things that I've mentioned, like careers and leisure. When all of those are in balance and you make those adjustments, you're like that sound engineer with that sound equipment. And when you find that sweet spot in your life, it truly is the best seat in the house. Rise and Whine is weekly, and if you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and share below. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and thank you for spending a minute of it with me.